Good morning, students. Today we start Natural Vegetation and Wildlife, chapter number 16, in geography portion. The different kinds of plants which grow naturally in the region constitute the natural vegetation of the region. The plants which grow naturally is called forests. The type of the vegetation found in the region is controlled by climatic conditions of the region. अब जिस प्रकार का वहाँ का क्लाइमेट होता है उसी प्रकार की जो है क्या है वेजिटेशन पाई जाती है. There are different types of vegetation found in the world. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical monsoon forest, temperate evergreen forest, Mediterranean forest, temperate deciduous forest, coniferous forest, tropical grasslands, temperate grasslands, tundra vegetation, desert vegetation. You know, bamboo is a part of natural vegetation. It can found in many tropical countries. This fast growing plant can reach 3.28 meters in only one day. यानी कि आपने देखा होगा कि ये बैम्बू के ट्रीज बहुत लंबे लंबे होते हैं, तो इसमें 3.28 मीटर जो है इन ओनली वन डे, यानी कि एक दिन में ये जो है इतना बढ़ जाता है. तो आपने देखा होगा कि आपके आसपास भी जो है फॉरेस्ट होंगे. अब वो किस प्रकार के फॉरेस्ट पाए जाते हैं, तो इसमें जब हम इंडियन वेजिटेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे तो उससे आपको पता चलेगा. अब ट्रॉपिकल मानसून और ट्रॉपिकल मानसून फॉरेस्ट या एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, ये दोनों एक ही बात है. ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट को ही ट्रॉपिकल मानसून फॉरेस्ट भी हम कहते हैं. तो एरिया लाइक द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट, श्रीलंका, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड साउथ ईस्टर्न USA lie in the tropics, and as a result they experience monsoonal climate which supports tropical monsoon forests. This climate is marked by the seasonal rainfall and dry conditions in between. Hardwood trees like sal, teak, sandalwood and eucalyptus are found here, and these forests are home to animals like lion, tigers, elephants, deers and many migratory birds. आपके पेज नंबर 140 पे मैप दिया है और इसमें जो है साथ में बराबर में कलर दिए हुए हैं कि कौन कौन से जो फॉरेस्ट हैं किस प्रकार किस कलर से डिटेक्ट किए गए हैं, तो आप जो है उसे देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द temperate evergreen forest. Temperate evergreen forest, तो इसमें temperate evergreen forest, these forests are found in the region having lower temperature than the tropics as well as sufficient rainfall. Temperate फॉरेस्ट जो है वहाँ पाए जाते हैं जहाँ पर जो है लो टेम्परेचर होता है इसके बनिस्बत देन ट्रॉपिक्स एज वेल एज, और उसके साथ साथ जो है सफिशिएंट रेनफॉल भी होती है. साउदर्न चाइना, साउथ ईस्टर्न ब्राजील, साउथ ईस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ साउथ ईस्टर्न USA are some of the areas which support temperate evergreen forests. Wolf, antelope, deer and deer are some of the animals found here. Now next is the Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forests are found in southern European countries like France, Italy, Spain, Central Chile, southwestern Australia and California. These regions receive rainfall in winter and have relatively dry summers. Cork, olive, maple, cedar and pine are the trees which grow in these forests. Wolves, foxes, wild boars, rabbits, vultures and eagles constitute the wildlife of these regions. Next is the temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forests. These forests have trees like maple, ash, birch and Douglas fir. They are found in the temperate belt having mild climate. Northwestern USA and Canada, northern China and Japan are some of the regions where such forests are found. Animals like deer and large number of birds are common here. Next is coniferous forest. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are found in area having low temperature throughout the year. Pine, cedar and spruce are the main kinds of trees found here. These forests grow in countries like Russia, Norway, Sweden, Finland and Canada. Silver fox, mink, black and brown bear are some of the animals which live in these forests. Next is the tropical grasslands. Tropical grasslands are found in zone of tropical grasslands. Tropical grasslands are found in the zone of transition between the equatorial zone and the tropical zones. An important example is Savannah Belt in Africa, which is sandwiched between the rainforest and the hot desert. Tropical grasslands can be seen in northern Australia and Brazil in Guiana Highlands. Elephants, giraffes, zebras and leopards are some animals that are commonly found here. Next is the temperate grasslands. Temperate grassland. Temperate grasslands, prairie of USA, pampas of South America, belt of South Africa and downs of Australia are some examples of temperate grasslands. These grasslands exist in the temperate belt beyond the tropics Animals found here include bison, prairie dog, and coyote in Northern America, and kangaroo, ostrich, and emu in Australia. That's all, students, for today. Do reading and try to fill group work. Thank you.